Somizi, not every gay man wants to be in your pants. Somizi may have besties who are straight and married, but the star says the pair have never tried to be romantic, and slammed the idea that gay people just want to get into everyone's pants. The Idol's judge told Trendingsta this week that it upset him when people thought that he and his friend Team could not be friends because of his sexuality. What is wrong with two people who are genuinely friends but their sexuality is different? What is wrong with two people who are friends, are lovers, but their races are different? Let's stop this stigma. Not every gay man wants to be in your pants. Also, we have a type, he said. Somizi is happily in a relationship and told listeners on his Metro FM show earlier this year that he was planning to marry and possibly raise a child with his partner. I still want to have another child. The decision comes out of me being selfless because my partner doesn't have a child and he wants a child, Somizi revealed. He slammed suggestions that the couple had already got engaged and said he was trying to keep his relationship private. I do it to protect the person I am seeing. Can you imagine if you knew all the people I had dated before? They will forever now be known as Somizi's boyfriend or Somizi's ex. They lose their identity based on the person I am. I will do everything in my power to protect his identity. My relationship is not a secret, it is private, Somizi said.